Welcome back, guys. It's me, Abdullah. Guess what I got? 2 airplane models. The current one that I have is right up here. Here they are, PIA and Emirates. By the way, can you do you like this Iron Man? Okay. So, I'm gonna unbox the. Let's see. Let's do Etihad this time. Okay. I don't know why this is ripped. Look at the Etihad plane. I know it's the A380, but it's in the old design. I don't know why I got the old design. It's pretty good. I don't know why it came in the old design. It looks good. Wait for the. I like the tail actually. Yeah. Oh, there's rudders. Oh, it's an air. Oh, it says www.etihadairways.com. And this says Airbus A380. It says very small. Okay, let's see how it looks like on the stand. Oh, that looking good. Oh. I didn't put that one properly. Corrupt nature. Corrupt nature. Guys, do you hear that's a plane? Yay, stands. Looking good, doesn't it? We'll put that to the side. Let me just shove this in here. Corrupt nature. Now we're gonna unbox the New Zealand one. Whoa, that looking good. Rate these in the comments, guys. Rate both of them how they look. Even those ones up there. I know the paint's rubbed off those ones up there. Yeah, it's old. I got those last year actually. That's why. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, let's see how it looks like standing. Please plant, stand. And ooh, I like it like this. Or maybe corrupt nature. Yeah, I'm gonna actually keep them like that, like those ones up there. Let me just put those in here. Put those aside. Corrupt nature. I think so. This is it for the video, I guess. Thank you for watching this. I hit 500 subscribers before the end of the year. All praises be to Allah.